Welcome to the Craft Cocktail. I'm Derek Schomer, that's Ian Andrews, and we are going to show you how to make the bee's knees.
Classic.
It's the bee's knees, man. Classic cocktail. Going back to, we'll talk about that. This is 2 ounces of American gin.
Death's Door.
We're using Death's Door. That's from Michigan. It's more London Dry-y to me, I think, than Citrus Forward, but everybody can come up with their own. It's from America. It's an American gin. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of honey syrup, which I made here. If you want to know how to make a honey syrup, you can click the link that's right up there. I don't want to take too much of your time. Lemon twist. Ian has made the most epic of lemon twists. You don't have to be as awesome as he is. You just have to be close.
Or you can look at the picture of the book that you're going to pick up, and you can...
You can go homecocktailmenu.com, check out my picture of the bee's knees. Picture with the little lemon twist. This drink, bee's knees, is a pre-prohibition. Is it pre-prohibition? Yeah, prohibition era. So that's like during prohibition, right? The bee's knees means the best. It's a slang term from around that period of time. So while this cocktail has a kind of a mixed history on when it might have come about, most people suggest it was probably around the time that phrase was popular.
The 20s-ish.
Yeah. The Roaring 20s, or is it 30s? One was Prohibition.
Roaring
Yeah, 20s.
Depression 30s.
Yeah. Same thing. The exact origin, like we said, isn't really understood, but Jeffrey Morgenthaler said that it appeared in Trader Vic's Bartender's Guide around 1947. So things are typically documented far after they were actually invented, or whoever decided to put it in a book first. So that is the first time we see that actual publication. If it's earlier than that, leave a comment below and tell me what book you found it in. Look at this thing. It's epic. It's like an entire lemon. It makes it, that is how you should get it at a craft bar.
I think so.
It's got the craft bar look and feel to it. It's huge and it rolls. It's awesome. But, although it did take you some time. You were over there.
For like 30 seconds, yeah. Yeah, it was time intensive.
Well, 30 seconds if you make a drink for yourself.
If you're making a ton of them, yeah.
Yeah, if you're making 100 of these things in a punch. Ready?
But I was using a knife. There's also the tools to do the
actual
channel knife.
The channel knife won't make something that looks like this.
They won't make it that big, yeah.
No,
you have to get a big channel.
Yeah. Oh, they might make a big channel.
I think they might.
I don't know. The only channel I know of is the Craft Cocktail and Common Man Cocktails. The only channels I need.
It's very lemony, very.
And you put honey in there?
Absolutely. Your honey syrup that you made.
It's not as
maybe the honey syrup's off.
Oh no. Yeah, this is sweet. No.
No, the honey syrup's off. I can taste the honey in there. That tastes like a sore throat remedy right there a little bit. You got lemon, you got honey, you got gin. It's
good for sore throat, syphilis, whatever.
It's like a
it's like a medical solution.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. That sounds like a biotech.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm all about solving problems that don't exist through cocktails.
You want to work for Dance Group? We got someone else who does that.
Well, no. I don't like to create problems for other people.
Okay.
I just look for solutions.
No. You create your own problems.
Oh. This drink it's a little bit more sour than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, well, now it's a lemon juice. It's
but yeah, you do get the honey at the finish. It is like a fix, right? Yes, it's like a fix, but you're bringing in the honey instead of just the rich simple syrup. Creates a different dynamic.
It has a good classic ratio, 2-1-1.
Yep.
But the thing is, the honey syrup is not really a 1. It's a half because it's half water. So it's like a 2-1 half.
Yeah.
With
So you're not going to get the same. You're not going to get the same sharp sugar taste.
No.
But you get that nice warm honey flavor. It's like a honeybee.
Yeah.
It's just got that nice.
It's the bees.
And you can. I used for this. I think I used orange blossom honey. If you can get clover honey, I think it would make it a little bit richer brown sugar like flavor to it, which is nice. But you don't have to. You just use the honey that you have. I probably have some under here someplace.
Probably. You have a lot of.
I have a lot of crazy stuff. This is clover honey. So I did end up having it, but I decided to use orange blossom. It's got a little bit more flowery texture to it. But in any case, go to homecocktailmenu.com. Download the ebook. You'll get the bee's knees and 14 other recipes that are all gin focused with their full histories, all the research, some links off to the classic books that document these for the first time, and it's just a value read for you and value for me.
Everyone wins.
Everybody wins. That's the goal. Is have everybody win.
Yeah, mostly you, but everyone.
Sometimes other people win.
Sometimes other people win.
Mostly me.
Yes.
Click the link below. You could get the book, or you just go right to homecocktailmenu.com by hitting like Apple T or Alt T and open a second tab. Boom, you're there. That's how we suggest that you make the bee's knees.
You forgot the name of the drink, didn't you?
No, that's right.
No.